Okay, so it's Spondon Station, level crossing in Derbyshire with Callow. Still got the double alarm, fast barrier, and this one. Timer. That barrier's fast now. Time now is 18:06 on the 14th, and this is for your 18:08 1 Charlie 71 East Midlands train service from Sheffield to St Pancras. And this is my last crossing of the day. Don't know how surfaces can be slippery, it's lovely and dry. And as we are here today, 0 services stop at this station on a Sunday. Got our lovely double yellow up there ready. They don't have a dot matrix board or anything except the help point. And what's this, a permit to travel? Which, broken. Otherwise, nothing. We have our footbridge. And no train yet because it's always down for ages. Still not here. Still nothing, still a double yellow. And nothing behind me. Using that Tata speed camera here. Beams it does stay down forever. Nothing behind me, nothing over there yet. Green over there. Still a double yellow. Come down onto here. Nothing down there. And nothing up there, but there is now a green signal. Been down for 5 minutes. between here 2 minutes ago. And if it's not here yet. It's not. Here you have your lovely foot crossing. Coming back. Still not here. This rate will be staying for a long time. Still nothing. Oh, here she is. HST. Here. Won't get the numbers from here anyway. I might do. 43,060. 43, whatever that is. And anyways, up we go. Oh dear. I'll see you in the next video.